Hello everyone, welcome to Homework Help. If you find the video useful, please subscribe to the channel. In this video, we'll solve these rational function equations. Let's start with the first equation. On the left side, 3 over x plus 1 equals 7 over x minus 4. The first step is to find the restrictions for this rational function equation. We can find the restrictions by setting the denominator expressions equal to 0 one by one and solving for x. Let's start with x plus 1. I get x equals negative 1. Now we can set the other denominator equal to 0 and solve for x. I get x equals 4. So this rational function equation has two restrictions, negative 1 and 4, and we can write the restrictions as. Now we can start solving this equation. The first step is to cross multiply the denominators. We can cross multiply x plus 1 to the right side and x minus 4 to the left side. Next, we can distribute the numbers into the parentheses. On the left side, we can distribute 3, and on the right side, we can distribute 7. Next, we can combine the x terms by subtracting 7x from both sides. Next, we can combine the number terms negative 12 and 7 by adding 12 to both sides. Seven plus 12 is equal to 19. Next, we can isolate x by dividing both sides by negative 4. We cannot reduce the numbers 19 and 4, but we should write the negative sign in front of the fraction. The solution x equals negative 19 over 4 is not among the restrictions we found for this rational function equation. So that means x equals negative 19 over 4 is a valid solution. So we are done with the first equation. Now we can solve the second equation. The first step is to find the restrictions. We should set the denominator equal to 0 and solve for x. I get x equals 0. So we can state the restriction as x cannot be equal to 0. So if we get 0 as a solution for this equation, it will be an invalid solution. Now we can start solving the equation. In this equation, x is in the denominator in the fraction 5 over x. We should get rid of the x in the denominator by multiplying each term in this equation by x. The x's with 5 get cancelled out. This is a quadratic equation. In order to solve this equation, we should set it equal to 0. We should subtract 4x from both sides. Now we have to solve this equation. This is a simple trinomial. We can factor this equation and then solve it. We can use sum and product method. We have to find two numbers whose sum is -4 and product is -5. The two numbers can be 1 and -5. 1 plus -5 is equal to -4. Now we can write the equation in factored form. Now we can analyze the two cases by setting each factor equal to 0 and solving for x. The first solution is x equals -1. The second solution is x equals 5. Both of these solutions are not among the restriction for this rational function equation. So these two solutions are valid solutions. So the second equation has two solutions. So these are the steps you have to keep in mind to solve a problem like this one. So I hope you'll find this video useful. Please share it, like it, and subscribe to Homework Help. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.